Hi everyone, this is my 3D printed plastic shredder, and today I'll be shredding some plastic. Enjoy!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
You can support this movement with the donation link in the description. All funds are going towards a non-profit and all the transactions are transparent, so you know that your funds are going to a probable cause. And with that said, early donors will get priority whenever I ship this product and release the files. And I really appreciate the support. Thank you very much for watching.